Hello, everyone. Welcome back for your week 8 of PE. So, this week we are learning about nutrition. Check out my new nutrition Bitmoji. So, this week, all students in kindergarten through 6th grade are going to be learning about nutrition and pretty much doing the same activities. So, your activities are going to be obviously different than our activities because of equipment and space, but you are still going to learn about what My Plate is, and then there's a couple activities. So, you're going to click on the warm up. This week, this kindergarten through 6th grade is going to be doing the same thing. So you're going to click on the warm up, and the warm up has you choosing which nutrition do you choose. If I choose fruits, I'm going to do the crab walk. Or if I choose a protein, I'm going to do this little, looks like maybe a zebra, some kind of dance, right, with my feet, lots of movement. And so after you've done that, then it is going to switch and give you some other options to choose. So you're going to do that for, it looks like 6 minutes and 40 seconds for your warm up. After your warm up, you're then going to click on this video to learn about My Plate. What is My Plate? Which is exactly what I'm teaching the kids this week. What is My Plate? What's the purpose of it? We talk about each of the food groups. So you're going to get all that information in this video. After you watch that video, then you're going to do this My Plate target touching video. Now in the video, they call it a throwing activity, but we don't want you throwing things at your computer screen. So we're going to call it touching, right? So basically it says hit the fruits. And so you can either click with your mouse, of course it pauses it, or touch with your finger each of the fruits that you see. Instead of throwing objects, just kind of touch at each of the fruits you see. And you're going to continue to do that. It's going to change the food groups along the way, but it gives you a nice opportunity to kind of think about all of your food groups and what types of food fall into those food groups. And then after you finish your My Plate target touching video, remember, no throwing, we don't want you breaking your computer screens. Then you're going to do this blast off nutrition game. So let me get this off of here for a second. For some reason it blocked on me. So back to it. That's our nutrition one. So try it again. Here's our blast off. So we want to play the game. And then you can put your name or just initials if you want, boy or girl. What's your age? So I'm just going to put best girl. And I am going to put a fun age. Let's say I'm going to be 10. So our goal is to fuel up your My Plate spaceship with smart food choices and 60 minutes of physical activity to fly to planet power. Fill up your spaceship with food for one day. Just like you, the spaceship needs food to give it fuel to last all day. So remember to add food to each meal. Be careful though. Make sure you fuel up all your food groups, but don't overload your fuel tank. Good luck. P.S. Don't forget to blast off. You need 60 minutes of activity. So it says, drag your food or activity choices into the spaceship. Learn more about your food or activity choice on the information card. Click Add to your fuel tank to add the food to your tank, or click Add to battery to add the activity to your activity battery. Remove and learn more about your food choices from the menu on the right of the My Plate spaceship. Click Blast Off to see if you have what it takes to make it to Planet Power. So we're going to play the game, and here is my choices for breakfast. So like if I want to do yogurt, I'm going to take it to dairy, right? And then it's going to tell me 6 ounces and learn a little bit about it. It's going to give me 160 things of fuel, so add to fuel tank. And then let's say I want to have a bagel. Bagels are dairy. And it's going to give me some choices if I want to add anything to my bagel. So say I want to add cream cheese, and then I'm going to say add to my fuel tank. Okay. And then let's see, for breakfast, maybe I add, we can always find something else. Maybe I add a banana for a fruit. And then it's 110, add to fuel tank. So now I've got 3 things in my breakfast, right? So now I can go to my lunch. And let's see, for lunch, let's say I want to have a salad. And let's move that to the vegetables. And then it asks me if I want to add some Italian dressing. Sure. Add it to my fuel tank. Yes. Okay. And then let's see, what else for my lunch? That's a pretty big lunch. So then maybe I want to go to my activity, and maybe I am going to do some household chores. So we'll put that on the activity battery. Or let's try a different one about gymnastics. Okay. And then let's go back to our lunch. We said we had a salad, and maybe we wanted some grapes. So we put that with the fuel, with the fruits. And let's see, I'm looking down here to see kind of what I need more of. I have enough fruits, so I need to look for some other things, like maybe some, let's see, maybe I want some vegetables, so I'll do some carrot sticks. Perfect. Okay. And then for snacks, let's see, maybe I want to have some potato chips. And let's see, no, not potato chips. Let's see what I might want for that. Don't have any protein, so let's see. Protein. That is going to be that trail mix. There we go. And so you're going to just keep going. Right down here, it's telling me when I'm going to get to where I need to be. Then you're going to go and fill in your dinner. And then you're just going to continue to go and then do your activity. And when you think you have enough, you're going to attempt to blast off. And so I clicked blast off, and I don't think I really had enough energy. So I did not have enough energy, right, to blast off. But that just kind of gives you an idea of how the game works, helps teach you about My Plate and what foods go into what food groups. So that is something you can look forward to as well. All right, so that is this week's lesson with nutrition. So I hope that you get a better understanding of what your plate should look like and what types of things fall into each food group, right? And next week we're going to be working on nutrition again, wrapping up nutrition. So I will look forward to talking to you some more and teaching you some more about nutrition. All right, have fun with your activities this week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.